this is the supermarket. So welcome to my buyers. Sharing you my roadway. Traveling by public. Lugar lang, baba me. This is it. I have to go down with my Jimmy ride. Sharing you my update in Davao City. Wonderful Davao. This is it. Life in Davao. It's really wonderful. Life is here in Davao. Everything is really organized, disciplined. On this area, you are going to go to downtown. You have to wait the waiting place when you go to downtown. From picking you down to downtown or to the city for your day in Davao. So this is it. Crossing picking you. How busy life is here, but really it's a wonderful life that I'm really enjoying. So we don't have firecrackers. Hello po, it's not allowed here. And if you can see in a distance, there are many turutot. Turutot is allowed here. Yeah, that one. You can hear the turutot. There's no single store that you can see with firecrackers or whatever that is being sold. That is strictly bawal-bawal here in Davao City. That's why I really choose this city wherein I can live to the fullest and enjoy my life with all the discipline, with all the obedience of laws of all the Baweño here. Just a short glimpse of my Davao City today on a Monday. Mabuhay, ganang buhay, mabuting tao. Buhay, you like good life, good person, good life, new hope, new life, and new beginning. That's the morning, the afternoon, and the evening. Thank you for watching. I'm your teacher vlogger, retired teacher. Teacher me, Ernida Bing, Basilio Bidon. Live na live in Catalunan, Piquinho. Caloocan District, Davao City. Mabuhay everyone and Happy New Year! Until my next vlog.